What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. Today we are doing a cocktail I've been meaning to get to for a very long time. As some of you know, Marius and I went to New York City, and while we were there, I went to go drink at a bar called Donna, which was in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. Donna is kind of this awesome, small corner bar that does like a Mexican-inspired tiki drinks. Isn't that what it kind of was? I think we actually took pictures of the menu. Yeah, it was.
They're on the screen right now.
Yeah, but you know what? Here's the deal. You don't always do what I say I do. So when I say I think we took pictures of it, is your cue while you're editing to put a picture there. That's why I say it. Smart guy. Anyway, it was one of my favorite experiences at a bar in New York City on this last trip. I really loved it a lot, and my favorite drink was this drink called the Brancolada, which is a drink created by a bartender named Jeremy Oertel, who is, so his drinks I like a lot. We've covered them on the Barfly quite a bit. What's cool about it is that he is husbands. That doesn't make any sense.
His husband's and he plays.
He is the husband of another bartender named Natasha David, who owns a bar called Nightcap, which I reached out to and wanted to visit and didn't get to last time we were in New York. And then they both have a consultancy called You and Me Cocktails. This was one of my favorite drinks, and I will say that I'm taking a little bit of I don't know what the word that I'm trying to look for. The liberties, thank you. I'm taking a little bit of liberty with the cocktail today because if you get this at Donna, it will be served out of a slushy machine. That being said, I'm going to do it with a Hamilton Beach and some Pebble Ice because I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it with a blender because I want to do it this way. Yeah, I don't have a reason. I was like going to say, this is why I'm going to do it. I don't have a reason. I just want to do it this way. And I think that you, and maybe even Jeremy himself, if he ever watches this video, will support my decision. Well, I hope he will anyway. All right, let's get into making the drink. This is going to be a really simple one. And I must say, this is one of my absolute 100% favorite uses of Fernet Brancamenta. It is so good. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do an ounce of coconut cream. I am using the Smuggler's Cove recipe for it. Then we're going to do an ounce and a half of pineapple juice. We are going to do 1/4 ounce of orange juice. And then 1 ounce of Jamaican rum. And 1 ounce of Brancamenta. Maybe I don't want to do it as a slushy just because I like the way that this dilutes a little bit more and I don't want to dilute it too much, you know, and whenever you do stuff in a blender, it kind of dilutes quite a bit. It dilutes quite a bit. Look at that. Cold metal. So just add a little of the pebble, put it in our drink mixer, and give it the old whirl. I wanted to let that go, but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna. We get that nice, comforting smell of burning oil that we've come to expect from our Hamilton Beach. All right. Now, if I wasn't a heathen, I would have like a cloth to wipe that off. But if you're doing this at work and stuff, please wipe off the spindle. And we're just going to pour it into our glass. And top it up with the old pebble. Yes. I'm going to garnish it with a little mint, playing back into that Brancamenta. Give it a little crushy pants. I didn't do the slappy poo. There, the little slappy poo. Fit that in right here. And then just like a little orange. Booyakashaki. I'm gonna pick I want a long straw. I'm kind of lacking in long straws. Bam, long straw. I'm gonna put that right by the mint. You always wanna put your straw right by the mint so that you smell the mint and it informs your taste as you sip. It's good. Oh, man. It's just, you get the mint from the mint and the Brancamenta as you sip it. And it just gives you this like, it just gives you this like coconut cream, just a little bit of that orange, pineapple juice. The Brancamenta just plays so well in that it's almost like a minty creamsicle, you know? And then you still even can feel that Jamaican rum that just like, I gotta say that any other rum might fall flat in here. The Jamaican rum with its kind of hogo vibe, that sort of rotted banana flavor is just like kind of playing back into all of the other ingredients and just a hint of orange juice. I loved this drink when I had it. I love it now. You should make it at home. I understand it's not quite the season for a kind of tiki cocktail, but you know what? Half of you guys are below the equator anyway. You guys are loving this, and I got to tell you that this is actually kind of, you know, fallish and wintry flavors anyway, right? It's like a minty creamsicle. I would be sipping this on Christmas Day, you guys. I would sip this at any time. On the beach, Christmas Day, in the sleigh next to Santa. All of those places I would have this drink. This is one of my favorites. I think that, Jeremy, you are a genius and I love you. This is one of my absolute 100 favorite cocktails. And I gotta say that I have tasted many hundreds of cocktails. On this channel alone, we have had at least 380 cocktails past these lips. And this one, it's in the top 2. That's how much I love it. All right, guys, if you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe. I am ending this one a little bit abruptly because I don't want to just go on and on about how much I love this cocktail, but that's going to get boring after a while. I don't know why I did that. I just needed to fawn over it a little bit more. So if you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe and check us out on Patreon, patreon.com/educatedbarfly, where we have other awesome content just for the people who do that. And it's never going to come to YouTube. It's only going to stay there. That's what I'm saying. And if you want to look sharp as I do, it's not because I'm a good-looking man. It's because Staggerly Goods make these really sharp aprons that are awesome and make me look so good, and they can make you look good too. So staggerlygoods.com, barfly SLG20 for 20% off at checkout. I will see you guys on another time.
Be kind and rewind, since it's a short video.
Yes, be kind, rewind.